Assalamualaikum and greetings to my supervisor, Dr. Hazirah Hanani. Today I am Arfina Fiza with the metric number A18B0012. Would like to present about my internship company named Al-Kafi Lestari Oil and Gas Sdn Bhd, which is located in Kuala Lumpur. Working hour for this company is normally started from 9 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. during this pandemic. We will begin into this content one by one to explore or find out more about the company background and what I have learned along the way in my internship journey for this past few months. First is a background of industry. Al-Kafi Lestari Oil and Gas is a wholly owned 100% Bumiputra company for the purpose of venturing oil and gas in Malaysia. The company provides a broad range of products with proven quality such as electrical equipment for vessel, instruments, and mechanical and piping. As you can see here, I have listed all the product names that provided by Al-Kafi company. Not just that, the company also provides services which is marine vessel chartering. Here on the slide, I have included some of the vessels that owned by the Al-Kafi Lestari company. The purpose of this vessel is as transportation and to bring all the crew to the offshore platform. Some of the name of the vessel which is stated such as Al-Kafi Care, Al-Kafi Asura, and Al-Kafi Mariam. Every vessel have their own specialty and performance, such as Al-Kafi Care, Al-Kafi Chief, Credence and Courage was under Flex 42X, Al-Kafi Amina and Alisha was under Flex 36, Al-Kafi Asura was under 38SL, and Al-Kafi Mariam was under Flex 40S. Obviously, on this slide shows a photo of every departments that have under Al-Kafi Lestari company, which is first marine, more to operation to handling a contract and purchasing, followed by the administration and account department that handling more about internal such as human resources and finance. And the last is sales, marketing and business development department, which is the company give a name under Al-Kafi Niaga Sdn Bhd. We move into the second content, which is scope of exposure. Here are the few tasks that have been assigned by the staff from finance department, as I have been placed for that department since the earlier for my internship started. So far, I have been learning a lot while completing my tasks, and more of the learning is what I have been learned throughout all the semesters. First task is payment vouchers that need to be done or that need to be created for each month, as known as what company paid and purchased. Second is asset tagging that need to create and tag the code number for every asset that owned by Al-Kafi company. The third task was director and CEO claim. Fourth is petty cash that have been spent by Al-Kafi company. And task 5 is called MyOp. MyOp is the online accounting software that will manage company cash flow. This task, I need to key in all the payment voucher into the system with separating whether it is under current asset or purchase, and included the other accounts. For the third content is about contribution to the industry. First is wall decorating. The decoration has been made in front of the CEOs and directors room to make it have a good atmosphere. As well, I know this company just moved into a new building and is still in lack of some decoration. This idea is from the crewing executive and I just help along to finish and decorate the wall. Second is I need to have the human resource department to give an idea on designing a new Sampuraya. It has been my pleasure when some of my ideas have been accepted by the CEOs and they are agreed to print out this new design for Hari Raya 2021. Without further ado, we move into the content number 4, which will explain about the suggestion for improvement. For this past few months, I admit that the company have an excellent teamwork from the staff and the leadership attitude obviously shown by the employers and employees. From what I have observed, the company seems to have a lack of IT expert and they should hire one of them. Every time when the MyOB system server down, all the work cannot be done and delay quite for a long time. And my second suggestion is Al-Kafi Lestari company should expand their business into another level. The company shows all the clients that have been cooperated with the Al-Kafi company. This is obviously or clearly shows that the business have a very high potential to be well known worldwide. For content number 5, which will stated about the challenge faces during this internship and while I'm completing the task. First is, of course, work from home. Due to this pandemic happening in Malaysia, the company need to create a system rotation, which staff will come to work and which staff will work from home. Because it can cause limited learning and training. Second is I need to be careful and need to be detailed with the amount entered. I need to prevent any amendment. Third is a detailed observation because all the tasks include the numbers. Numbers is very sensitive issues because it might affect company cash flow. Challenge number 4 is sorting and filing that need to be managed by month. And of course, the challenge faced is a new lifestyle that we become more adult to live in a work life. And for the last slide, we'll explain about the noble value that I've got along the way my internship journey. Value number 1 is respectful attitudes that have been obviously shown among the employer and employees. Value number 2 is caring and considerate value. All the staff and the CEOs are really great on caring about each other. Value number 3 is all I have been more disciplined in problem solving and while completing the task. Value number 4 is increasing my self-esteem and confidence to face any challenge when I work at other industry. And lastly, of course, I am able to manage my time more appropriately. We are finally at the end of the slide. Here are some more information about the company, including the address and the contact number and website. And that's it for my presentation. Thank you.